In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Windows 10 or Windows 11 slow or lagging problem in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do is keep watching until the end. So first thing you have to do is go to this start button right here and then click on the settings, and after you click on settings, now all what you have to do is go to this privacy option and then go to those options right here or to general and make those options off like this. And after you make all the options off, go to this option, make it off, this and this and this. And after you finish, go back and then go to update and security and then click on pause updates for 7 days. And after that, go back, and now all what you have to do is go down here and make sure to close the apps that you don't need like this. And yeah, now all what you have to do is restart your PC, and congratulations. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching until the very end.